Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Wondering if your alarm will still work even when your iPhone is on Do Not Disturb? Let's find out together. First step is to test the alarm live. Let's put it to test. I'm setting an alarm right now and turning on my Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down to access your control center and tap on the crescent moon icon to activate Do Not Disturb. Next, we head over to the alarm app and set an alarm for a minute. The next step is to wait for the alarm. As we wait, here is what you need to know. Do Not Disturb doesn't affect alarm. Your alarm will ring at the set time regardless of whether Do Not Disturb is on. And here you have it, proof that your alarm works on Do Not Disturb. Now you can sleep peacefully, knowing your alarm won't fail you. Kindly like and subscribe for more practical tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.